That poor little fucker. He just, I don't know what he's dreaming about, but he's just, holy fuck. Running his ass off from top fucking, holy fuck. That ham noodle and cheese peanut butter sandwich is a nasty looking bitch. I'll never bang her ass again. God, my girlfriend, God, she said she'd get me in a way I ain't never seen coming. Why? Why?
I mean, look at this little bastard.
He's fucking dead to the world. Just kind of.
Wait a second. Yeah? You want some of this?
Yeah. He's dreaming about little heavenly dogs up in his subconscious, poor, tiny brain. It's like an acorn. Like my ex-girlfriend's heart, if she ever had one.